Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Instagram password. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then head over to the three lines on the top right. Now go to account center. Now go to the password and security. Now go to change password and here click on your Instagram account and then just tap your current password and then tap your new password and retype the new password. So if you want to log out of the other devices, just choose this and check mark this, and if you don't want to log out of the other devices, just uncheck it and then must tap on change password and your new password will be saved. So yeah, this is how easy it is to change your Instagram password. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.